In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best hair curlers available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the hair curlers mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Shark HD 430 FlexStyle Multi-Styler Hair Dryer Airwrap. The Shark HD 430 FlexStyle is an all-in-one multi-styler designed for families, business trips, and special occasions. With 1200 W power, it delivers fast and efficient styling. Its 3 adjustable temperature settings allow for personalized heat control, while the 360 degrees rotating power cord ensures hassle-free maneuverability. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for travel. Enjoy salon-quality results with this versatile tool, now available at a massive 64% discount. Upgrade your hair routine today. Number 4, 7-in-1 Ionic Hair Dryer Brush. This 7-in-1 Ionic Hair Dryer Brush is ideal for busy days, offering fast and stylish results. The high-speed drying function saves time, while Ionic technology enhances shine and reduces frizz. Featuring 3 temperature settings for customizable heat, it ensures a smooth, damage-free styling experience. Its automatic power-off function adds safety and convenience. Whether at home or on the go, this multifunctional brush is a must-have for effortless styling. Get it now at an 11% discount. Number 3, CHIGNON Hot Air Brush Styler Volumizer. The CHIGNON Hot Air Brush Styler Volumizer is perfect for home, travel, and hotel use. With 1000 W power, it dries hair quickly while styling, saving time and effort. Nylon pins and bristles help detangle hair smoothly, while its strong ion blow ensures a sleek, frizz-free finish. Made with high-temperature resistant materials for safety, this hair tool is a reliable companion for everyday use. Achieve salon-quality styling effortlessly at home. Grab yours now at a 22% discount. Number 2, Auto-Rotate Ceramic Hair Curler, UKLISS. The UKLISS Auto-Rotate Ceramic Hair Curler is designed for all hair types, making it easy to create curls, waves, and crimps. Featuring tourmaline ceramic plates, it provides smooth and frizz-free styling. Its dual voltage, 100-240V, ensures worldwide usability, while the 360 degrees rotatable cord prevents tangling. Whether you're traveling or styling at home, this tool delivers professional results with minimal effort. Elevate your hairstyling game today with this versatile curler, now available at a 16% discount. Number 1, 5-in-1 Professional Curling Iron Set. Transform your hairstyling routine with the 5-in-1 Professional Curling Iron Set. Designed for versatility, it features 5 interchangeable barrels for different curl styles. The dual voltage makes it perfect for worldwide use, while the 360 degrees swivel cable offers easy handling. Whether for daily styling or special occasions, this set makes a great gift. Get salon-quality curls anytime, anywhere. Don't miss out on this essential hair tool, now available at a 13% discount.